If you wanted to remove objects from photos on Realme 14T, then first of all we can open the Photos app. Now over here we can search for the photo that we wish to edit, and let's go and press edit over here at the bottom. Now go to AI editor, and then you should be able to use AI eraser. Press agree and continue, press OK, and then we can choose smart lasso, for example. So we're gonna select the area that the AI should remove. Let's wait a bit. It is now removing, and as you can see, it is gone. We can press done now in the bottom right corner once again, and then save. We can also save as a copy in order to keep the original. And there we go. You can also use the Photos app by Google. Over here we're gonna search for the same photo. Let's press edit again. Now over here you should be able to scroll in order to find tools. There we go. And then we need to go to magic eraser. Wait a second for the suggestions, which of course you can apply if you want to. And then we're gonna select erase, and then we can circle the area that we wish to remove. Let's wait a second. And there we go, it is now gone. We can of course try to select the leftovers that may still be there in order to get rid of them, and that's pretty much it. Let's try again. And there we go. Now let's press done, save copy, and that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.